So how do you delete stuff on the iPad? Let's get started. If you are new on this channel, make sure you are part of the Foxtecc community by subscribing so you don't miss the next videos like this one. Obviously, you can delete stuff like delete apps and specific photos, right? But if you want to do it in a little bit more like optimized way, I would go to the settings, check out the general section and click on the iPad storage. This will give you a nice breakdown of your current situation and what is, the most or the largest thing in your storage. Like it might be apps, it might be photos, right? And below you have all of those sorted by the size, right? So you can, for example, manage specific applications and those which take up the most amount of storage, therefore giving you the biggest result. So you can just delete the whole application, or you can also just offload the app. Offloading literally just means that you delete the installation file, like the app itself, but the data and files associated with the app will stay on your iPad. So if you change your mind and re-download the app, you'll be able to continue where you left off. Right, so I guess it makes sense if you want to do it this way, but the whole point is that you can delete stuff in here the best way because you get a nice breakdown of what's going on. You might also get some suggestions and recommendations, like you can review your large photos and videos, right? And depends on your situation, but you might see some other recommendations in here as well. So that's how it generally works. Let me know in case you have some specific questions about your iPad. Thanks a lot for watching and stick until the end, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.